That concludes our service. At this time, I'm going to ask my District 8 Sergeant Arms to escort the District 8 Riders Director to the podium, please. He's sleeping over there. I saw him. No idea where that is.
Raising folks 24.
District Sergeant Arms, can you escort the Sons Commander to his seat? At this point, I'll need the Post 24 riders escorted up to in front of the stage for me.
You want the Legion District Sergeant Arms?
Post 24 Sergeant Arms escort the riders members.
Right here, Reggie. Over there, Reggie. Escort them on.
Alright, you've been chosen to fill the various offices as Post-American Legion Riders Group. You will know and vindicate the trust that has been reposed in you to fulfill every way the obligation that trust entails. Remember that you are a true family of the American Legion because we embrace all members of the American Legion family without regard to their affiliation to the American Legion. You will at once familiarize yourself with the duties of the particular offices that you have chosen and proceed to the duties in the same spirit, devotion, and endeavor that characterized those of your affiliations in the American Legion. You must know that the welfare and success of the Riders Group depends largely on you, and you must also know that upon your shoulders equally rests the burden of preserving the integrity of the American Legion. By the wearing of the patch are the most obvious participants of the American Legion family. You therefore must ensure that the conduct of this American Legion Riders Group is above reproach with what you and your group do and how the public views you. It reflects upon the entire American Legion family. You must protect and advance its good name before the people of this community, state, and nation. You must exalt in their eyes and must know, as we know, its purpose and its policy. There is no rank among us, for each serves as an equal of our comrades. And you must strive toward the same goals as the American Legion by supporting the principles and programs for the American Legion family, post, and community. Can I get you to raise your right hand and repeat after me? I, Lamar Camacho, do solemnly pledge myself to perform faithfully and impartially the duties of the office in the American Legion Riders, Chapter 24, that I am about to assume. And I further pledge I will support these goals and principles of the American Legion. I attest I am not a member of and do not subscribe to the principles of any motorcycle club or group opposed to our form of government. Please turn and face the audience. I present to you the officers of your choice. I congratulate you on the selections you have made. Now that you've chosen them to guide the destinies of this chapter 24, it's your duty to aid them in every way. Remember, they represent the entire family of the American Legion. Help them keep the American Legion Riders a free organization of free men and women, faithful to its principles and ideas. Thank you. Escort them to their seats.
And this is where I'm lost, but I don't know who's next.
Okay. Sergeant Arms, can you escort the District 8 Commander up?
Sergeant at Arms, please escort the Riders Director back to his seat. Sergeant at Arms, at this time, would you please escort the district officers, including the department's second vice commander, to the podium? He thought he was going to get away with this, gentlemen and ladies. He's not.